Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Though after a long time, I'm Amar Pasha, online coach and motivational speaker. Today I'm here to speak about the topic focus, concentration and dedication. So what we have heard all this time is if we have this like focus, concentration, dedication towards something, we can achieve it. But these days youths and many people are confused. Even after giving our 100% focus, 100% concentration, 100% dedication, they are not able to be successful in their life. So this is what I'm going to discuss here, because focus, concentration, determination, dedication, whatever you have towards anything will make you achieve whatever you have hoped for, focused for, concentrated for, whatever your dream is or your job is, your business is, whatever you concentrate, you focus on, you will get it. But when you don't get it, this is what you're doing. Like I'm going to discuss in this video. For an example, concentrating on something will make you achieve that thing. That's what is the saying, right? But what happens here is people these days will concentrate on something. See, when they conceive something in their brain that they want to do this, they want to go for an interview, they want to start a job, they want to get married, whatever their concern is, once it is conceived in their brain, they will give their focus. I'm not telling they won't. They will give their focus, they will give their concentration, and they will reach up to certain point. But when they're not successful, what happens is they feel what I'm concentrating on is not so worthwhile. So they will leave it. They will divert their focus, they will divert their concentration, they will take all their concentration and they will put it on something else. So what happens is when you're concentrating on something from few months or few years, you might have reached like 50 to 80% of the task, and if you continue in that, you just have to do the remaining part. Like if you have done 60%, you have to do only 40% to reach the success. But when you take out the concentration from that and focus on something else, you have to start it from zero. Remember that. So here people are getting confused. See, when you're doing something, concentrating something from few years, try to master it, no, learn something from that, or you implement some ideas which will work out. It will work out. You have to stick on to that. If someone will get success in 1 month, some might take 1 year, some might take 10 years, right? It depends on their stream, it depends on their task what they have chosen. It doesn't mean that two people started and one got successful, one didn't get. That doesn't mean that he won't be successful in his whole life. He will definitely be, but his time will come, right? Maybe whatever he did was he already had some ideas, and or he implemented some ideas which worked out. Even he will implement that, but he needs experience in that, right? He needs experience in that. That is what is happening when you focus on something. See, I'm not telling do something which is under loss. Before focusing on something, before concentrating on something, see, when you focus or when you concentrate on something, you are giving your precious moment, precious days, precious years of your life. So let us concentrate on something which is useful, right? So before you concentrate, before you focus on something, before you dedicate yourself to something, do your homework first. What I am going to do, is it worthwhile? What are the consequences that I had to face? What will be the outcome of it? And if I'm successful, what I'm supposed to do? Think about that, then get into it, then try to concentrate on it. When you have concentrated for some days, like 1 year, 2 year, if that doesn't work out, if you leave it, you might have done the task for 60-80%, guys. So remaining for 20%, you'll give up. You'll choose some other profession, you'll choose some other business, or you'll change your dream, you'll change your goals, thinking that okay, my friend was successful very soon, he did this and he got successful. Nothing, it won't happen like that, because whatever you have done, you have done 80%. If you give up there, and if you want to start something, that is not wrong, it is your choice. I'm telling you, it is your choice. I'm not telling don't do it. If you want to do something else, you have to start it from zero, remember that. So 80% you'll come back to zero. You have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Wherein whatever you're doing, you're already in 80%. So whatever effort you put here, imagine you'll do this for 1 year or 2 year. After that, if this doesn't work out, what you will do? You'll leave this and we will focus on something else. which is very easy. Okay, this is easy to earn money. Whatever I did previously was difficult. So maybe this you would have done 50 to 60%. Again you leave this, and if you choose something else, again you have to start it from zero. Remember that. So our whole life will get involved in this. We will learn skills when we are doing different things. When we are multitasking, we will learn things, but we will not reach 100%. That means we will not master anything. That is what I'm telling. If you want to do various businesses, if you want to do various tasks together, do it. I'm not telling wrong. Multitasking is very good. But when you're doing something, complete it. Reach to a certain level, reach to 100%. Then you can start your new venture, or then you can start your new profession, or whatever it is. First, when you're doing something, complete it. Reach to certain heights. Whatever you have aimed for, reach to your aim, reach to your goal. Then you can start up something from zero, because this is already 100%. Like that. See, concentrating, focusing, guys, to conclude, I may tell you, you should first do your research before doing the concentration, before dedicating yourself to something. Once you get into it, to give your 100%. Don't leave until you get successful in that, because when you are getting into it, you might have gotten thinking something that you will be successful in life. Then why are you giving up? Why are you changing your focus? Don't change your focus, guys. Focus, concentration, determination, dedication will take you to successful life. I'm telling you, but don't get diverted. Hope this helps. Thank you.